You, Colin. Well, ready or not, like it or not, health care reform is coming, and the state is moving in that direction by requiring managed care for Medi-Cal patients. It's supposed to be in place June 1st. It also should mean eventually maybe more than 100 jobs in Redding.
Doreen Bradshaw is the executive director of the Redding-based Health Alliance of Northern California. She and a broad range of healthcare providers have been working to bring a benefits administrator to the North State, and that paid off recently. Partnership Health Plan of California, based in Fairfield, was chosen by the state to administer managed health care for Medi-Cal patients in Shasta, Trinity, Modoc, Lassen, and Siskiyou counties, among others.
The goal is to provide quality health care, increased access, and those are all some of the key elements of healthcare reform. This is just California's first step in doing that, and then we'll have other things going on in January to prepare or to enhance this effort.
There are 38,000 Medi-Cal recipients in Shasta County, and that number will grow as healthcare reform is fully implemented. Most Medi-Cal patients are seen at community health centers. And this county organized health system, which is organized but not run by county government, Partnership Health Plan, will establish an office in Redding, which I'm told will grow to more than 100 employees. In fact, PHC had a booth set up at the job fair at the Mount Shasta Mall in Redding.
We're looking to hire over 100 employees. So we're looking at over 100 employees. A lot of it's out of our Fairfield office. But we're going to be doing telework in this area, and we're going to be opening an office in Eureka and Redding. And then with those offices, we're going to be employing people for those areas.
So if you're a Medi-Cal recipient, you should be getting a letter in the mail soon. Look for that. But what if you live in Butte, Tehama, or Glenn counties? They are not part of Partnership Health Plan, so you'll be given a choice between Anthem Blue Cross or Centene Corporation's California Health and Wellness Plan.